Hello, this is Bruno the Best. Today we do again the Nerf gun attachment combination. What you need is the Regan C6 with the clip of Stampede EZX50, the barrel of Regan C6, the stock of Regan C6, the scope of Longshot C6, and whatever of Regan C6, Longshot C6. Why this is a good combination? You can load over here. That's a little bit stupid, but there you can zoom. You can hear all the little clip if you're gonna sorry. If you're gonna go down, and you can fire a grenade with a grenade launcher of the Longshot C6. Here you can hold up again ammo, so that's handy, and you can hold here ammo, so you have many ammo maximized. You can zoom. I don't know if you know what's in the dot. I think you just can see it now, but you see it's two loops. The line is painted black, so if you see many movies. If you got ideas for Nerf guns, please subscribe now, and yeah, say what you think. Make Nerf gun attachment combinations, and I make it for you. So again, something else. No, actually, if you got ideas for things, just subscribe. Thanks for watching.